In this video, I'll show you how to receive post-push notifications in X, formerly Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is useful if you want to stay updated instantly when accounts you follow post new content, without constantly checking your feed. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open x.com or the X app and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look at the left navigation bar and click on More. This opens up the additional menu where you'll find account and app settings. From the More menu, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps your account preferences, notifications, privacy controls, and other important options. After that, select Notifications. This section controls how X alerts you about activity on your account and from the people or topics you follow. Next, click Preferences. Inside Preferences, you'll see several notification settings that let you customize what kinds of alerts you want to receive. Now click Push Notifications. This is the section that controls notifications sent directly to your device. Once you're in Push Notifications, simply toggle on Push Notifications. After enabling it, your device will begin receiving push alerts from X based on your selected notification settings. If the option is already on, you're all set. That's it. You've now enabled push notifications on X, so you can stay on top of posts and updates more easily. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials just like this one.